Hi, Sean from KVS TRAVEL. Today we're at the Ko'a Kea in Kauai. We're checking out an oceanfront room number 350. Come on in, this is a double. So we got our daughters traveling with us as usual. To your right is a really nice updated bathroom. This property, the Ko'a Kea, is really, it's a fancy boutique hotel. So it's not a mega, it's very small, updated and personalized and luxury and relaxing. And you can see that by the quality in here. Smells rich and fresh and nice. And that's what you want to smell when you come in. Now, I like the bathroom. I think it's very nice and clean. And then we come in here, and you can get these rooms with a bigger family, whatever, and you can get connecting rooms, so they are connectable. So when you call us and you're looking for that, do that. What's nice, this closet has the robes and the safe and the hangers, but what I think is neat, most places give you these spa slippers. They give you real Hawaiian slippers. You can take them home as a gift. They're real, what we call flip-flops in the States on the mainland. It's real Hawaiian slippers. So I thought that was a neat touch. So in here you see the rug, everything's, from what I can tell, is great condition. We got nice white linen with accents of pink, a little see-through window through the shower. Water, they give you complimentary water, 2 bottles, and then 2 more at night, but not unlimited. There's still a resort fee at this property. A lot of the hotels we're finding are getting away from resort fees and including water. But right now the Ko'a Kea is still doing that. You can buy more water, but what we're gonna do is get in a rental car tomorrow and we're gonna go buy some bottles of water. These are $4 a pop. Now that's actually pretty cheap compared to the airport, because this size Avion at the airport would cost you about 12 bucks. So down here we have a refrigerator, and inside there's another complimentary bottle of wine for us and some creamers. Got a nice big TV. How's this? Here's a Nespresso machine, and then the coffees are right in here. So the room does have an espresso. We had an issue with that at the Kalani in Waikiki, not having any. Hold on one second. And then here's your big view. It's the ocean front. There you go, man. You want to take them out there? And that's it. Call us, KVS Travel, 610-334-1917. Best service. You book this room, save up to $100 by booking with KVS Travel. Enjoy the view. I'll see you next video.